Hello, welcome to the introductory lecture winter semester 2020-21. This is the introduction of the courses of the Telecommunications Lab. This semester, we will offer 2 courses and 1 seminar. Our courses will be carried out as live classroom events using Microsoft Teams. Recorded lectures, however, will be made available to the class members. Assignments, as well as weekly quizzes, are done via the university's Moodle page. Manuscripts are available in HTML as in interactive Jupyter Notebook format. Background literature will be provided through eBook Central. The first course is Digital Transmission and Signal Processing, 9 credit points, 4 lectures, 2 tutorials, which will deal with the fundamentals of digital transmission. We will look into signals and systems, sampling and quantization, digital modulation, including multi-carrier transmission and forward error coding. The course will be offered live Tuesdays 12:15 to 13:45 and Wednesdays 8:30 to 10. Please visit the Moodle page to register yourself for the course. The course Multimedia Transport, 9 credit points, will deal with IP-based multimedia transport. We'll look into Gilbert-Elliott erasure channels, adaptive hybrid ARQ error coding techniques, congestion and flow control, and video and audio coding. The course will be offered as Microsoft Teams live classroom on Tuesdays 2:15 to 3:45 and on Wednesdays 12:15 to 1:45. Please go to the shown webpage for self-registration. This year's main seminar, 7 credit points, will deal with light field representation formats. MS Teams will be used for kick-off meetings and presentations, and Moodle will be used for course management and background literature. Please go to the respective page. For the registration, use the Computer Science Department's overall seminar registration facilities. For further information, please visit the lab's homepage as well as the Moodle's overview page for our offerings. And register yourself soon for our courses. Thank you very much for your attendance, and I hope to see many of you in our courses or seminars during the next semester. Bye-bye.